Hey everyone, if you are seeing the error loading files, please relog into the game. Message in Mobile Legends, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it step by step. First, try restarting the game. Close Mobile Legends completely and relaunch it to see if the issue is resolved. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause file loading errors. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router or enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. If the problem persists, clear the game cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management or Manage Apps depending on your phone model. Find Mobile Legends from the list. Tap Storage, then clear cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the error. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try reloading into your account. Tap OK on the error message, then log out and log back into your account. Make sure Mobile Legends is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Mobile Legends and update the game if a new version is available. Also check if your Android system software needs updating by going to Settings and find Software Update option. If you are still experiencing the error, try downloading the game resources again. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management or Manage Apps. Find Mobile Legends from the list. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Data. Restart the game and it will re-download essential files. Just make sure your account is linked to Moonton, Google Play or Facebook before clearing data to prevent account loss. If the issue continues, restart the game. Uninstall Mobile Legends, restart your phone, and then download the latest version from the Google Play Store. And that's it. Your game should now load without any errors. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mobile Legends fixes. See you in the next one.